This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2003 GG Mazda 6 Luxury Sports Hatch, stock reference number 4025. The shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through to the 1st month 2008. There's an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol alloy rocker cover type engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Chrome radiator grille, mesh type. Right hand headlight needs a polish. Right hand fog light with surround. Left hand fog light. Left hand headlight also needs a polish. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left hand tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spoiler type does have some clear coat peeling off the top edge above the window. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right hand guard appears to have no damage. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy light, sun roof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.